Let me tell you one more story. And I just got to tell you, this is one of the most incredible ones I've heard. Several weeks ago, our worship pastor was approached by a woman after the service. She sort of just stood from afar, calling out, "Thank you, thank you, thank you so much." So Taylor approached her a little closer and said, "Hey, thank you. Oh, thank you for what?" And she said, "This new album that you guys wrote." Turns out this mother, she comes from an atheist family. The entire family, none of them believed. She's the first person in her family to be a believer, and she came to Christ about a year earlier. But she begins to tell Taylor that her daughter is on the autism spectrum and is completely nonverbal. Well, she said the other day they were in their home and they've been playing this new worship album sort of on repeat throughout their everyday normal life. The other day she began to hear some strange noise coming from the living room. She wasn't quite sure what it was. She turns the corner and the worship song "King in Me" had been playing. And there's her daughter singing the words to the chorus. Not just humming, not just making noise, singing the words which come straight from Scripture. "My chains are gone. I've been set free. No longer I who live, but Christ in me." Put yourself in that mother's shoes for a moment. Just imagine you're in that living room. She's worshiping, she's praising God, singing Galatians 2:20. That's a miracle. The conversation concluded with her telling our worship pastor, "We're about to move, we're a military family, but before we go, we just had to tell you, thank you. Thank you that through this, I've gotten to hear my daughter's voice." Friend, let that be an encouragement to you today, just as that child sang in Galatians 2:20. If Christ is the one who lives in you, those chains, they're gone. You have been set free. It's no longer you that lives, it's Christ who lives in you. Trust in Him today.